useless dog. Woof, woof, woof.
Hey, Ganesha, don't do that. Jimmy clearly loves and admires you, yet you always treat him so harshly like dirt. I become very worried about your behavior. Hey, yo!
It's just a dog, Mom. It has no feelings towards me.
Oh, you'll never understand.
I'm really worried about the way Ganesha has been acting recently. Yesterday, I saw him hitting Jimmy with the stick, and today I saw him kicking Jimmy when he got out of bed. He has no respect for anything and makes me disappointed.
Last week I saw Ganesh throwing stones at other dogs on the streets. I told him to stop, but he refused to listen.
This cannot be happening. If he does not stop soon, someone or something may return the favor to him. This is very bad, and I'm very worried too.
20 times 5. 200.
Haha, you're so dumb. It's so obviously 100. I'm so much smarter than you.
He's so rude. I guess that's why so many people don't like him. He treats everybody with disrespect.
Ganesh, you cannot say those kind of things. Nobody will like you or take you seriously. And if you keep on being rude and disrespectful to everyone, karma may come and get you.
Ganesh, no, ha. No, I don't care at all. Wow, these mangoes are super ripe. Yeah, and it was so fun collecting them. Ganesh, come down from that tree. You have enough.
Be quiet, guys. I'm not gonna fall.
Oh my god, what should we do? I don't know. Help! Help! Help!
Woof, woof.
Help!
Help! Show me help! Oh my god!
Quick, call a doctor.
Ganesh was saved just in time. Another few seconds of being in the lake and he would have drowned. Fortunately, the dog saved him just in time.
Wow, when he realizes Jimmy sees him, I hope he begins to treat him with respect.
I'm sure he will now. And maybe he'll start to respect everyone else as well.
What happened?
You fell in the lake and Jimmy dragged you out and saved you. I think he deserves an apology now.
Woof, woof.
Now I'm so sorry. From now on, I'll begin treating everyone with respect. Starting with you, Jimmy.